Why does your scanner show the P0660 engine code? What does it mean? P0660 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold tuning valve, control circuit open at bank 1. It indicates a problem with the intake manifold tuning valve or its associated electrical circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Damaged or faulty intake manifold tuning valve. Electrical issues. Stuck valve. Engine control module issues. Cold weather. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler, Vauxhall, Porsche, Land Rover, Dodge, Chevy, Mazda, Honda, Mitsubishi, and Saturn. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.